Hi guys, today we are going to cover functions and lambda functions. What are the use of it and how you can declare it. And guys, if you didn't subscribe yet, so do hit subscribe button and make sure to press bell icon for latest update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in Python, if you want to declare a function, so there is a keyword called def. After that, you have to write function name, then in a braces you have to type parameter, but for here I am just make it blank. Then you have to declare, after declaring the function you have to define it. So what you have to do, like I am going to print some hi over here and calling this function over here. Now let's check if the code works. Python 1.py. So as you can see that hi is printed because of the function. Now let's see how you can pass the parameter into function. So there are three types. First of all is a named position. So what you have to do, like I am passing here ABC and XYZ, both are in a string. Here I get f name and L name. These two are the parameter, and let's print here f name plus L name. Okay, sorry, spelling mistake. Okay, save the code and run it again. So as you can see, ABC and XYZ is printed. So this is a one type. That's how you can pass the parameter. Another one is named. So in that, like I am writing f name equal to this and L name equal to this. Now here just type like there is a called A and B. Sorry. Okay. So the you can access the parameter by typing the name. So the output doesn't change over here. It's the same as previous one. But there is another very accurate method called arbitrary parameter, and which is very popular while you are working with APIs. So like there is a parameter, like there is a three parameters over here, ABC, XYZ, and you have only one arbitrary parameter here, like at the rate arg. And how you can use it, so suppose you want to print XYZ, so you type arg and 1. So this is the index. It's you can consider it as a list, but it's not a list. So like, okay, that's it. And now you can check, so it will print the XYZ. So it's called a arbitrary parameter. There is another method called named arbitrary parameter. So what you can do is like as shown in a previous code, I'm going to just undo. Okay, so that's how you can pass the parameter. Instead of two parameter, I'm going to put 2 times asterisk and then argument. Now you can access the parameter by its name, like argument, and then over here I write lm in the list, so it will print xyz again. So yeah, as you can see, it prints xyz. So that's how you can pass the parameter in functions. Also there is a pass keyword, like if you want to define a function but don't want to sorry, you want to declare a function but don't want to define it, so you can just type a pass over here and you can do anything here. Like I am going to print hello over here, so it does nothing, it just print hello. The function is defined, but there is a nothing to print, or we are not going to call that function. It may be useful for in a future use. So I think that's it for function. Now let's move forward to the lambda function, which is a very useful in Python. It is also known as an anonymous function, and it is useful for a single line function. Let me demonstrate an example. For an example, x equal to lambda a, and suppose I am going to a plus 20. So what it does, it takes input a and add a 20 to it, and it will return to the x. So for an example, print x of say 2. So what will be the output? It will print 22. See, so how it works, x of 2 means value of a is a 2. It will add it to a and return it to the x. But that's not how we can use a lambda function. The main use of lambda is in like inside a function, inside a main function, like define a function, and there is a parameter called num. And what you have to do, like you want to multiply by 6. So what you can do, like re return lambda a multiply by num. So you want to multiply by 6. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make a multiply multiplier, sorry, IER, then is equal to function of 6, because you want to multiply by 6. So the 6 goes to the num, the value of num will be 6. And then what you can do, you can set the value of multiplier by whatever the number you want to multiply. Suppose you want to multiply 10 by 6. So what it does, what will be the value of a? It will be 10, and it will multiply with 6. So the output will be uh, 60. I'm going to add this into the print function. So it print is uh, let's check the code again. So yeah, as you can see, it prints 60 over here, as you can see. So I think that's it for lambda function, and that is the main use of lambda function. It is a single line function and it's anonymous. So whenever you want to add some you want to do some simple mathematics calculation, then you can use a lambda function. And suppose you have a list, like let me demonstrate an example. Like you have a list x equal to 1 2 3 and 4, and you want to multiply all the value by 6. So what you can do, you can pass the value x, sorry, in a for loop for I in x. What you can do, going to print this function and pass I over here. So as you can see, it will print all the value by 6. That's how you can use the lambda function. And that's it for today. If you have any doubt, please comment down below, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you guys.